You are young. You are fabulous. You might even feel a little broke. That is okay. What you have right now is more valuable than any pile of cash someone twice your age could ever possess. You have time. Time is the single most powerful ingredient in building true, lasting wealth. It is a resource you have in abundance. I want you to really understand this. When you invest money, it earns returns. Compounding means those returns then earn their own returns. It is a snowball effect. Your money makes money, and then that new money starts making its own money. The longer you let this process work, the more powerful it becomes. A single dollar invested in your early 20s can become $16, $32, while a dollar invested in your 40s might only grow to $4, $8. You have the runway to let that snowball grow into an avalanche of wealth. Let's say you invest just $100 a month starting at age 25. By the time you are 65, that small, consistent effort could easily grow to over $300,000, assuming a reasonable rate of return. Before you can build a skyscraper of wealth, you must lay a solid, unshakable foundation. Rushing to invest without this foundation is like building a house on sand. The first storm that comes along will wash it all away. The very first brick is getting honest about where your money is going. You need a budget. Track your spending for 1 month. Just write it all down. You will be shocked how coffees or unused subscriptions drain your power. Once you know where it is going, you can start telling it where to go. The next essential brick is an emergency fund. This is non-negotiable. Life happens. Your car will break down. You will have an unexpected medical bill. You may lose your job. Without a cushion, minor emergencies become major catastrophes that force debt or raiding retirement. First, save $1,000. Then build 3 to 6 months of essentials. This fund is your financial fortress wall. Next, the enemy of wealth: high-interest debt. You cannot out-invest that. You must plug the hole. List debts by rate, attack the highest, then roll payments to the next. The debt avalanche. Now that your foundation is in place, it is time to build upwards. The two most powerful tools are your employer plan, like a 401k, and the individual retirement arrangement, the IRA. These are not investments. They are tax-advantaged accounts that help investments grow faster. If your employer offers a 401k or 403b with a match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. It is the closest thing to a 100% guaranteed return. For example, we will match 100% of your contributions up to 3% of your salary. Put in 3%, they put in 3%, instantly doubled. Make this your first priority after starting your emergency fund. If you do not have a plan or already get the full match and want to save more, open an IRA. Traditional may give a deduction now, but taxes later. Roth uses after-tax dollars, and qualified withdrawals are 100% tax-free. For most young people, the Roth IRA is the smart choice. You can start with very small amounts and set up automatic monthly contributions. Stashing cash loses to inflation. To build wealth, you must invest. Skip stock picking. Choose low-cost index funds or ETFs that own hundreds of businesses at once. Put contributions and investing on autopilot. You now have the knowledge and the roadmap. You understand the power of time, the importance of a solid foundation, and the tools to build wealth. The journey to a secure retirement is not a sprint, it is a marathon. Winners are not the ones with a burst of genius, but those who show up month after month, year after year. This is where your financial character is forged. Once a year, review balances and make sure you are on track. When you get raises, increase your savings rate. Fight lifestyle creep. Crashes make headlines. Have the courage to do nothing and keep buying on schedule. Do not time the market. Stay disciplined, stay automated, trust your process. Make a promise to yourself today. First, open a savings account and auto-transfer to your $1,000 emergency fund. Second, enroll in your 401k and get the full match. Third, if no 401k or you can save more, open a Roth IRA and set a small recurring investment. The future you is counting on you. Do not let them down. Start now.